Hey friends, if Windows installer is not working properly on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, it has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum and helped a few users. So the first solution is to make sure that the Windows installer service is running. Search for services in the Windows search bar and then scroll down to the Windows installer service. Okay, right click on it and select start. The next one is to unregister and re-register a certain service which is associated with the file, which is msiexec.exe space / unregister. So you're unregistering the Windows installer on your system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. Then you will have to register it again. So instead of unregister, you will have to type reg server. Okay, hit enter and your job is done. And if it still doesn't help, then run the disk cleanup tool. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.